What's up, YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here from OregonCarSource.com out at Ron Talking Toyota with this beautiful 4Runner here. This is a new one for me, 2021 Trail Special Edition. Also a new color for the 4Runner, or a new reintroduction of a color. This is cement, which you're probably familiar with from the Tundras and Tacomas. Currently, also, I believe it was the TRD Pro exclusive color for 2017 on the TRD Pro 4Runner. Let's first jump into the sticker. This one is pre-sold, so the customer ordered it specifically with these options. It does have the premium audio package, which is going to give you your connected services as well as the factory navigation. It has the running boards, which port installed. These are only $345. We've got wheel locks, high performance LED fog lights, and the door edge guards here. There's those high performance fog lights. Take a quick walk around this car and show you what's new about it. So this is not a TRD package, but we do have TRD off-road wheels, but they're a little different because they're black, not just your standard alloys. We got the Yakima Load Warrior basket that comes with this package. Also really cool is this special cooler back here. We got looks like a roto molded, kind of like a Yeti cooler. That comes with it. Says 4Runner on it. You've also got the sliding cargo deck back here. All the 4Runners are going to have the built-in inverter back here. You got a 3-prong outlet. This one also has the first aid kit. Blacked out badging. This is new for 2020. Still going in 21 with that chrome strip there. If we go inside the vehicle, it's kind of a mix in between an SR5 and an SR5 Premium. SR5 cloth, but we've got SR5 Premium features. What I mean by that is we've got push button start. We've got advanced keyless entry. But what we don't have on the TRD is that manually shifting transfer case, which allows you to put the transfer case in neutral. So that is a feature that's more like the SR5s. Also, unlike the TRDs, it does not have a hood scoop. We do have, however, your Toyota Safety Sense. We've got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, automatic high beams. That's the on switch for that inverter in the back, your windshield wiper de-icer grid. Bluetooth, of course, for your cell phone. Up here, we've got active traction control, downhill assist control. It's still a 2-speed transfer case with low-range 4-wheel drive. It is not automatic climate control, it's regular manual climate control. So you've got a fan control over here, and temperature, rear defrost, heating up your outside mirrors. Really nicely equipped and unique 4Runner. If we go in the back here, this is a 5-passenger model. So you've got the seats that fold bottom up and then back down. This is what that looks like. Bottom up, back down. Hold that headrest. Folds flat, totally flat when you have that rolling tray. Obviously this could be removed. The cooler can be removed if you want just maximum cargo capacity. Like I said, this particular vehicle is pre-sold. It was ordered actually for a Toyota employee, and we're glad to serve them here at Ron Talking Toyota. If you're looking for a vehicle like this, I'd love to help you out with it. Please, if you'd like to work with me directly, subscribe to the channel for one, and for two, hit me up through my website, OregonCarSource.com, or on any of our social channels. We're on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and probably lots more to come. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.